reminds me of like that was like if you were putting in the video up in the future kind of being.
I can't do it. I can't do it. No one was here.
Okay, embutido.
This like beautiful. I love
I can't do it. No one was here.
Everything you want to be.
Now that my stomach is
I can't do it.
and finally hit a very late 10 in the morning, it's a reasonable hour for forced consumption. Pokemon is known for coconut and I drank a lot of bad lambanog in my youth. Unlabeled
I can't do it.
bottles were easy to buy and gave you an immediate hit. So growing up, it never left a great taste in my mouth. Flash forward 2 years, I tried a few bottles that were new care and it totally changed my mind about the spirit. Most people who have tried local alcohol are familiar with coconut wine, tuba, or palm wine, or even rice wine. Lambanog or coconut wine is basically first coconut wine distilled further to create a clear spirit without
I can't do it. No one was here.
Yung ano, pero namatay yung isa, di ba?
I can't do it. No one was here. I can't do it. No one was here.
Yung bulag. Tawag nila dyan, kasi nakakabulag daw.
I can't do it.
Yung bulag daw. Sabi naman yan, uminom.
I can't do it. No one was here.
May bubble gum,
I can't do it. No one was here.
kung sanay ko lang
I can't do it. I can't do it. No one was here.
Ako pinakagusto ko sa siguro sa local ko ba, kasi matamis. Isipin na
I can't do it. No one was here.
So, sa breakfast pala, akala ko naman juice lang yun, hindi naman nila, kaya pala nila ako sinagawa nila ako. But safe. Nakainom din ako ng
I can't do it. No one was here.
pagka pagkatapos sa breakfast, tulog ako.
I can't do it.
Masuka na yun, mami. Masuka na. Hindi ba sabi nila, sabi nila,
I can't do it. No one was here.
It's said that the Spanish pushed coconut production through an edict in 1642, which forced locals on this to plant 200 coconut trees. Charcoal coconut shells were used for the coffee of the Spanish galleons, while
I can't do it.
were used as fibers for their rigs. In 1578, two Franciscan missionaries from Spain founded the Spanish soldiers settled there and established the town's
I
first
can't do it.
distillery, which was eventually passed down
Ano ka
to
lang
the
feel
now
that was?
standing Legati Distillery.
Yung Kung meron ako? Pag ano yun? 100,000.
Ay, meron.
Ilan ba na ba?
Now let it work for you.
Wow. Bago na yun ah.
Siya yung isa kayo ni. Kurang 400 million. Yan ka lang ako. Ito, may silver na sila. Nakikil na ba ito mga silver bottle niya?
Hindi ito, sa dami ng copyright nito. Hindi na bigay eh.
Hindi. Bago ko eh.
Sa dami ng copyright nito, walang dito Pero nagulat ako, may subscriber na natin ba? Paano ko nalalaman? O, nagpapaano talaga sa kanya?
Para silver.
Pero pinuntahan natin sa mahay-hay, magaling na ganyan. Nanulo na yung mga kumukuha ng
Ako na.
Ano siya, sabi nga niya, yun daw yung misconception niya kasi sabi niya, sabi niya mga kalawang.
Yun eh, habang tumutuloy siya, pag sinabi namin yung 80, ano na, katulad niya, 84, medyo ano pa, kahit pa. Pagka nag-ano na ng 80, stop na namin.
Sorry, nalago ko. Medyo malabo pa.
Okay.
Mas malabo pa.
Nasanay ka na.
Konting tamis lang, no? Nice. Super smooth na.
Huwag lamang magtagal sa baso.
In 2021, we actually started figuring out how
Hindi ko na nalalapit. Pero nakapukunin mo luma. Naman yan. Nakilagkat ka na.
and we still have to find a shooter. Producer that was really on, and we found the story of Ayushide.
Kaya siguro sa Amerika, pinapanood ko isang
Ah.
dito, ano naman ang ano, ala, ay ano yun?
Chay. Chay karak. Ito ba? Kaya tama. Tama. Tingnan niya.
Pilipinas, na pala doon dati pa talaga.
Mahilig ka talaga.
Pero alam mo lang, inabot ko yung kapilang bigas.
Back in the 70s, and she later passed on her recipe to
Kasi
the
pala yun yun daw ay gamot sa mga ulcer.
street after.
Yung mga nakakasim.
Yung bigas.
Kaya lang ang ginagawa naman ng ulam mo na talagang bigyan na pera. Tapos lalagay niya sa karton. Pero kailan namin
Pandemic pa yan. Nakaganyan mo.
Nagsimula ako sa pagbubuli ng March
Ayun, pero isa sa
1972.
mga budol ng pandemic yan.
Hindi ko alam yun eh.
Napihan ko nanay ko niya, di bigla sinuot kasi.
Ayun po,
Parang
sa
ano,
luto ng mga
hindi ko
pagkain.
parang
Ay,
yung
yung kasi naman,
purifier yun or
nagkakondisyon
na
natin yung
yung nakapagpapit sa ano,
Kaya ako nakakuha ng sa ginagawa bintanin mo ng yung mga
ano ko yung ginagamit ko yung parang white
sabi niya, nanay, gawin mo itong budin. Sige, ay gawin mo. At yung sinasama ko, sinabi mo yan, at sinabi niya din
Akala ko nung unang may cake, hindi nakasabi mo.
tapos sabi yung mga sila, may teacher, kung punta lagi ko sa kambing, nagustuhan din nila.
Bago ko na lang, ang scientific name pala na, scientific name, iba pagkakita. Yung kilikili axilla. Kaya tapos, dito rin pala, kaya research ng axilla. First time kong nalaman na kilikili axilla. Ay, mami, alam mo, kilikili pala ang scientific name ay axilla. Kapag kasi ako doktor yung ano, doktor sa nagkakatawan, so sinasabi niya kung ano, ako ko wala akong maintindihan. Kaya nga rin, hindi niya naikap niya, hindi na wala niya. Parang simple lang mag, ano,
hindi nila inaano, bigla bigla.
Parang piniga eh. Pero dali-dali lang.
Tapos lalagyan mo ng radio.
Meron na dinadayuhan ng mga nakahanap yung lalawin pa. Tulad namin ngayon.
Akala ko ilong word lang yun. Ko lang yun sa dali ko dati. Oo, yung pala.
Pagpahal na ang ano, kailangan nila
Pero dahil sa budin na yan, napag-aaral ng pagkatapos napaaral din niya ang kanyang mga anak.
pero may nabili na parang pang ano flavor na parang bubot siya parang
Nilagay ko yung
kasi sa nilagay sa na parang pero
pero papalapit
drop
na.
parang
meet you.
Oras.
Oh, I remember. We made the video. That's a show. How long have you made the video? How many years now? Galing. So you're the original. Okay, I'm excited to try it. How many people did you make? 280 pieces a day. Wow. Delicious.
Ayun doon
Thank you.
sa Laguna o doon sa may kaputang ng Antipolo.
Okay, next time we'll come back.
Linggo.
So this is the tamales. So we've had tamales in lots of different provinces in the Philippines. This one is the one in Quezon. And I heard it's a little different. So this is salted egg. So the one in Cavite and Pampanga. This one's more of the chicken or the pork flavor. It's mixed in ground the rice base. And there's slight green to it. So the salted egg really carries the flavor. So very different tamales.
Ah,
Since I really love eating, we
I can't
do it.